Azhar Pamungkas. You can call me Azhar. I am student of BINUS University on course Business Management. On this video, I will give a review about our first video conference Zoom that held in 27 September 2025. On the first week of this English professional course, we begin with an introduction for our lecturer, that is Miss Joyce. She welcomed us warmly and explained the rules of the class. All communication must be in English, whether written or spoken. We must use formal language. We must avoid slang or social media terms. And we make sure that everything we submit should be in our word, with proper paraphrasing and citation. Even if we use tools like Google Translate, we are expected to revise carefully. These rules are meant to train us to think and communicate in English consistently. After that, Ms. Joyce gives us an overview of this course. The subject is designed to develop our listening, reading, speaking, and writing skill at an upper intermediate level, both academically and professionally. But it's not only the language, it also teaches us math skills like planning, problem solving, teamwork, communication, and self-management. In other words, this course prepares us for both study and real professional life. One of the highlights of the first session was learning how to introduce ourselves professionally. A good introduction should be clear, confident, and purposeful. We were taught to pay attention to the body language, show our uniques, and also culturally aware when meeting people in different contexts, whether it's a classmate, an interviewer, client, or new coworker. We also explore the difference between academic English and business English. Academic English is language of study, research, essay, and report. Meanwhile, business English is used in trade, meeting, negotiation, and correspondence in the workplace. Learning to use both effectively help us succeed in our studies and also in our career. On listening side, we practice making generalization, summarizing information into broader statement supported by fact and logic. On speaking side, we learn how to restate idea in different words and how to give opinion clearly using phrase like in my opinion, I believe, or from my perspective. For me personally, my plan is to take lesson step by step. I will apply the rules in every discussion, practice self-introduction until I sound natural, and train myself to switch between academic and business English depending on the situation. I also want practice making generalization in my notes and restating ideas during group discussion, so I can get used to expressing myself more fluently. By the end of the lesson, I expect to become more confident in English communication, not only academic and writing and presentation, but also in professional situation like meeting and interview. I hope to leave this class with sharper listening skill, stronger speaking confidence, and the ability to express my ideas clearly, both in academic, study, and in workplace. That's all that I can tell you about our first meeting